Just like simple math, we may encounter straight lines, but most of the time we'll be dealing with curve and straight line. Just a quick recap with a simple example. Let's say the question is 5x plus 2y is is y is equal to 1. Elimination or substitution is your choice. I can see if I just multiply the second one with 2, I can get rid of y. So that's 5x plus 2y equals 25. 4x minus 2y is equals to 2. We add them, get rid of y, and this is 9x. On the other side, I'm getting 27. X is equals to 27 by 9 and x is equals to 3. Then we can use any equation to solve for y. I'm using the first one. 5x plus 2y is equals to 25, where x is 3. So 2y is equals to 25 minus 15. 2y is equals to 10. Y is equals to 10 by 2. Y is equals to 5. X comma y is 3 comma 5. This is for the straight line.
The coordinates are of the straight line coordinates?
Point of intersection of the two simultaneous equations, and they were straight.
Okay.
Now, simultaneous equation, one is linear and other is non-linear. We may have these cases that it may intersect at two different points, or it may be a tangent. So in that case, we'll get only one answer. And if it is not intersecting, we may get no solution, or we call it that negative
Next.
answer. And we call it negative answer under the root. How would we know that we are not getting any solution? Is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. We will get this part as negative if there is no solution. Exercise 2.1. Let's start with the basic example. Y is equal to x square and y is equals to x plus 6. Y is already subject in both of them. I'm substituting x square is equal to x plus 6. X square minus x is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and we can use any method. Multiplying, getting minus x square, and to add I should get minus x. So minus 3x plus 2x would give me the sum of minus 1 and product of minus 6. X common, x minus 3 plus 2 common, x minus 3. X plus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to minus 3. So if we would just sketch it, this is how it looks like. Y is equal to x square, and that's y is equal to x plus 6. So that would intersect at two different places. One of the x is minus 2 and the other x is
3.
plus 3. So I can have y as well. Y was equal to x square. When it is minus 2, y is 4. When it is 3, y is 9. So the coordinates are minus 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 9. where this straight line and the curve would intersect.
Okay. Wait, minus 2, 4? Because
Yeah.
we would plug the x back in. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm looking at question number 5 where y or x is not the subject. Either we'll have to rearrange and then substitute. X square minus xy is equals to 0. First equation. X plus y is equals to 1. Second equation. So we can substitute any. Always we are going to just select the linear part. Let's say x is equals to 1 minus y is the third equation. So we put equation 3 in equation 1 because we've made that from 2. So we'll substitute it in 1. And now x is equals to 1 minus y. 1 minus y squared minus x into 1 minus 1 minus y into y is equals to 0. This is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared minus y into 1 is minus y plus y square is equals to 0. Again simplifying to quadratic equation, y square minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0.
Don't the y squares add?
2y square, yes. Thank you. So 2y square minus 3y plus 1. So the product should be plus 2. 2y square minus 2y minus 1. Product of these two is giving me plus 2 and the sum is giving minus 3. We take out common 2y, left with y minus 1. Minus 1, y minus 1. 2y minus 1 and y minus 1 is equals to 0. First factor equal to 0, second factor equal to 0, y is equals to 1, y is equals to 1 by 2. Now we use the same equation where x is already the subject, so that's 1 minus y. 1 minus y, 1 minus 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. On the other side, x is equals to 1 minus y, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is 0, comma 1 and 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. And this is complete, but we can always check if the question is correct or not. So 0, 1 and 1, 2, 1, 2. In this main equation, I'm substituting x 0, y 1. So when I substitute x0, this is x0 minus 0 into 1. So 0 minus 0 equals 0. Justifies in the second one. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Justifies in both of them. Now this second point is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is again 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equals 0. 0 equals 0. Satisfied? Left hand side equal right hand side. X plus y is equals to 1. So half plus half is again 1 equals 1. So yes, the points are correct. If we would have time to recheck the question, we can do that during the exam. Okay. Try question number 3. Can you do that?
Okay.
If you've understood, go for it, or else I'll do a few more questions.
Okay. So I got 5, 4, and -2, -3.
5, 4, and -2, -3. So I'll quickly check this. When this is 4, 5 minus 1, 4 equals 4. First done. In the second one, x is 5 squared plus, that is 4. X5 by 4 equals 25. This is 25 plus 16 equals 25. See, we're not getting equal. There must be something wrong.
Okay. Quickly recheck.
I'll also start working on this. Are you checking or are you with me?
Just rechecking I'm going over my steps.
Sure. I'm getting x minus 3 and 4.
X minus 3, 4.
Yeah. You said 5 comma 4 and minus 2, 3. I guess you just swapped them.
But then I was solving for y.
Okay, let's see. I'm getting x4 and minus 3. Then y is x minus 1.
Sorry, can you go back up to what you did? Oh, so you solve with the y. Okay. Because what I did was I moved with the x.
No issues. X
Okay.
is equals to y plus 1. No issues.
Okay. And I think that's where I got it wrong as well, because I mixed up the signs, I think. I put y minus 1 squared plus y squared. It has to be y plus 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
So minus 1 minus 4. When x is minus 3, y is minus 4. And when x is 4, y is 3. I'm going to pick up the equations again. Y is equals to x minus 1. And x square plus y square is equals to 25. And I'm using the first point. Y is minus 4, where x is minus 3 minus 1. Minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Checking that again with new points. Y is 3, x is 4 minus 1, 3 is equal to 3. Same goes on the other side. Minus 3 square minus 4 square is equal to 25. 9 plus 16, 25 is equals to 25. And the last one where x is 4, y is 3 would give me the same answer again. 16 plus 9, 25 equals 25. More or less, this complete chapter would consist of these equations only. Only the difficulty level would change.
I rechecked my calculations and I accidentally put in the opposite signs. So y is supposed to be 3 and the other y is supposed to be -4. So then afterwards, the signs for the others would change as well.
Yes.
Okay.
In this case, you would score more than half.
Okay.
I'm going for question number 7. Slightly different arrangement. 2x plus y is equals to 7 equation 1. X plus y is equals to 6. Now we've always picked up, rearranged the linear part. This was x multiplied by 6. X into y is equals to 6. This time I'm picking up the second equation, the curve part. Y is equals to 6 over x is the third equation. Put equation 3 in equation 1. So 2x plus y is equals to 7. 2x plus y is 6 over x is equals to 7. Multiplying the whole equation with x, we're left with 2x square plus 6 is equals to 7x. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. That is 12. 12 is either 12 into 1, 6 into 2, 3 into 4, and 3 and 4 could be adjusted to make 7. We take out common, x is common, 2x minus 3, minus 2 is common, x, 2x minus 3, x minus 2 into 2x minus 3, x is equals to 2, and x is equals to 3 by 2. And the equation was y equals 6 over x. So when x is 2, y is 3. 2 comma 3. On the other side, 6 divided by 3 by 2 would mean 2 into 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. So x is 3 by 2 and y is 4. Two comma 3, 3 by 2 and 4. Let's just quickly check that. 2x plus y is equals to 7 and x into y is equals to 6. Checking this first, 2 into 3, 6 equals 6, and then 3 by 2 into 4. 2 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times is 6. On left hand side, 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 to the 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equals 7. And with 2 into 3 by 2 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is again 7 equals 7. So the answers are correct. Number 8, 9, 10 are mostly similar nature. Try one of these. Which one would you go for? 17 or 18?
17 or 18?
Yeah, anyone. Yes.
I can do 18.
Okay, try that.
I think I'm overcomplicating it when I'm doing it.
Okay, let's see. Uh, we'll make one of the variable subject in the left hand side. Let's say y is equals to 12 over x and substitute it off the other side. X minus 1 stays as it is. Y is being now 12 by x plus 2 is equals to 15. We slowly multiply them. This is 12 plus 2x minus 12 by x minus 2 is equals to 15. Hmm. Rearranging and collecting the like terms. So this is minus 12, or let's just write it directly. That's 2x minus 12 by x, and 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 15 is minus 5. Multiplying the whole equation with x, 2x square minus 12 minus 5x equals 0. 2x square minus 5x minus 12 is equals to 0. And I'm getting 24. And this is 24 into 1 or 12 into 2 or 8 into 3 and 8 and 3 for 5. 2x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 12 is equals to 0. 2x common, x minus 4. 3 common, x minus 4. 2x plus 3, x minus 4. 2x is equals to minus 3, x is equals to minus 3 by 2. X minus 4 equals to 0, x is equals to 4. And the subject was 12 over x. 12 over minus 3 by 2 is 12 into 2 by 3, negative sign, 3 1 times, 3 4 times, minus 8, minus 3 by 2, comma, minus 8. Y is equals to 12 by x is equals to 12 by 4 is 3. 4 comma 3. Let's just check that. Xy is equals to 12 and x minus 1, y plus 2 is equals to 15. Minus 3 by 2 into minus 8. 2 1 times 2 4 times 4 3 times is positive 12 equals positive 12. And trying with 4 3, x4 y3, 12 equals 12, both justified. On the other side, I'm trying this first. 4 minus 1 into 3 plus 2 is 3 into 5. 15 equals 15. Minus 3 by 2 minus 1. And y is minus 8. 1 and 3 by 2 is 5 by 2, and 8 minus 6. This is minus 5 by 2 minus 6. 2 1 times, 2 3 times, and 3 5 times is 15 equals 15. So these are the two solutions. Clear?
Yes.
Now about the statement questions, the nature of question would remain the same. Definitely reading the words, we are to write the equations as well. I'm leaving question 19. It is exactly same. Calculate the coordinates of the point where line this cuts the curve this. It is just the different writing style. Stays the same simultaneous equation. If we look at question number 20, that says the sum of two numbers is numbers x and y is 11. Again, it's just a different writing style, but sometimes the wording would confuse and we can make a mistake in writing the equation. Second, it says the product of the two numbers is 21.25. xy is equals to 21.25. Write down the two equations done. A part B part says solve the equations to find the possible values. So for B part again, I'm taking xy is equals to 21.25, where y is equals to 21.25 over x. Using the first equation, x plus y is equals to 11, x plus 21.25 over x is equals to 11. Multiplying the whole equation with x is x square plus 21.25 is equals to 11x. Rearranging x square minus 11x plus 21.25 is equals to 0. This time I'm using quadratic formula. B square minus 4ac over 2a. That's minus 11 plus minus square root minus 4a 21.25 over 2a. And punching this in calculator. 11 plus square root 11 square minus 4 into 21.25 over 2. I'm getting 8.5 exact with the positive sign in between and 2.5 exact with the negative sign in between. And these were for x. And y is equals to 21.25 over x, 21.25 over 8.5. Is 2.5. So when x is 8.5, y is 2.5. And definitely the other one would switch as well. Giving 8.5. So when x is 2.5, y is 8.5. We can already see the sum is 11 and 2.5 into 8.5. The product is 21.25. So the answers are checked as well. Try and write equations for question 21.
21 and 22, right?
Yes, start with 21. Equations for 21.
And then afterwards, the questions that we didn't do, I'll do as homework.
Yeah, maybe like I won't pick them up. You can just read them and try those which you find different.
Okay.
Just like see something in 25 this ratio, we didn't do that. If I just look at question 24, it is having a lot of variables. We should do that. Like 22 is a usual question, straight line and curve. We've tried that.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, these seems a little different. If you would try 23, you can leave 24. Just try different questions. For now,
So
20.
26, 24, and 25, and 26. Okay.
Have you written the equations?
Let me just quickly. I wrote the first one. I'll write the second one as well.
Okay.
Okay.
And what did you write?
So for the first one, it's x squared plus y squared equals 818. And for the second one, it's 4x plus 4y equals 160.
Correct. And the second one could be simplified to this.
Mm-hmm.
Equations are correct.
And we can plug it back in.
Yep. Getting one exact 23 and the other 17. So y is equals to 40 minus x. If x is 23, y is 17. If x is 17, y is 23. Quickly rechecking it. 4x plus 4y 160. 4 into 23 plus 4 into 17 is 160. And both of these are same. And the other one was x square plus, where did it go? X square plus y square is equal to 818. 23 square plus 17 square is 818. So these are correct. And while 22 is same, 23 seems a little different. 24 is again an extended equation. 25 involves something like ratios. You can ignore 26. The same. No, it is different. Find the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. Now is involving coordinate geometry in this of simple math. Yeah. So yeah, these four questions would be a
Which
good
page?
choice. This is 27.
Okay. I'll do them as homework.
Anything else you would like to ask?
No.
No. See you next class then.